Jumping rope is a popular workout that helps you burn calories, strengthen your muscles, and improve your coordination. However, with so many various jump ropes on the market, determining which ones are worthwhile can be difficult. The following jump ropes in this video were chosen because of their quality, additional features, customers' feedback and price. But to see the best updated prices and find out more about these jump ropes, you can check out the links in the description. Before we start, we have a question for you. Which jump ropes are you using and would you recommend it? Let us know in the comments. Number 1. Best High-End Crossrope Get Lean Weighted Jump Rope Set. This adjustable weighted jump rope set is simple to use and designed to help you achieve your fitness objectives. Unlike other ropes on the market, the Crossrope Get Lean comes with both a light and a heavy rope that you can instantly switch out to personalize your workout intensity. It also comes with a free app that contains exercise instruction, guided workouts, and fitness challenges. Number 2. Best for Beginners BeMaxx Jump Rope. This BeMaxx jump rope is ideal for beginners because it includes everything you need to get started, including 2 adjustable wire cables, spare components, a jump rope carrying case, and access to the company's free online training guide. Anti-slip grips and vertical ball bearings, a sort of rolling element utilized to enable for smooth and quick rotations while jumping rope, are also included. Number 3. Best Adjustable Wastou Speed Jumping Rope. This high-quality jump rope can be adjusted to accommodate a variety of heights, making it suitable for the whole family to use. The Wastou Speed Jumping Rope has a maximum length of 294.6 centimeters and is appropriate for adults up to 7 feet tall. Plus, unlike many other jump ropes, it doesn't require you to cut the cord. Instead, you can use the included hex key to shorten or extend it. For enhanced strength and longevity, the Wastou rope has non-slip handles and a steel wire rope. The rope comes in 4 metallic colors: pink, gold, blue, and black as an added bonus. Number 4. Best Ropeless Benvo Weighted Ropeless Jump Rope. If you have a small room or low ceilings, ropeless jump ropes can be a terrific alternative. Weighted soft grip handles with short leads are included in this Benvo alternative for imitating the motion of a jump rope without using the actual rope. To effortlessly tailor your workout, you may change the weight of the grips and the length of the cable. The handles unscrewed during several users' workouts, according to some reviewers. Number 5. Best Speed Rope Epitomie Fitness SonicBoom M2 High Speed Jump Rope. Speed ropes, as the name implies, are made to be lightweight and allow you to jump rope faster. As a result, they can aid in the burning of calories as well as the improvement of agility and cardiovascular endurance. 2 305 cm polymer-coated speed cables are included with the SonicBoom. The rope contains anti-slip silicone grips and ball bearings to let it revolve smoothly. You won't have to worry about the handles unscrewing or falling off because they are self-locking and screw-free. How to choose the best jump rope? When looking for a jump rope that meets your needs, there are a few things to keep in mind. Length. Make certain that the rope's length is appropriate for your height. Look for a rope that can be adjusted without cutting off the ends to accommodate several users. Weight. Weighted jump ropes provide additional resistance for improving upper body strength, whereas unweighted jump ropes are excellent for speed. Price. Keep in mind that jump ropes come in a wide range of prices, so shop around to find one that fits your budget. Reviews. Customer reviews can help you determine whether a jump rope is durable and offers good value for money. The bottom line is, jumping rope is a popular way to enhance coordination, burn calories, and strengthen your body. There are many different types of jump ropes, each with its own price, length, weight, and unique characteristics. To pick a jump rope that works for you, utilize this guide as a starting point and examine the variables listed above. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, hit the like button. Feel free to share your questions and contributions in the comment section below. And for more concise fat loss and fitness tips, subscribe to this YouTube channel.